Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Mission Nihilist faces the truth with Vivica Fox and guests. Charity foundation Mission Nihilist hosted an interactive talk show and a meet and greet last night at the Spanish Court Hotel in Kingston to openly discuss and address issues related to gender-based violence and raise awareness for victims who find themselves in resource-challenged situations. Fashion designer Nihilist is appreciative that the foundation, now in its third staging, is making a difference.
The mission is real, and I'm just grateful for this purpose that God has blessed me with. The whole thing about just giving back and just continue to give back no matter what the circumstances you may face within your journey and within your life. Just knowing that you are able to do things for persons who don't have it, it's a great feeling.
Mission Nihilist ambassador, actress and entrepreneur Vivica Fox gave an update on her TV and film entrepreneurial projects.
Face the Truth is a show that's on. Unfortunately, it's only going to be running until September, but I have amazing other projects that are out there right now. I'm coming back to the final season of Empire. The entire month of July, I was very blessed that Lifetime ran my So Wrong, It's Right marathons of movies that we called the Wrong Summer Vacation movies. So every Friday is a movie that I starred and produced. I have two films that are going to be coming out, Arkansas with Vince Vaughn and Liam Hemsworth, and then also Bailey and Darla with Sam Richardson and Brittany Smith. My book is out in paperback. Every day I'm hustling. How can I forget that too? And the Vivica Fox hair collection.
The proceeds from the event were used to assist Miss Chanel Richards, a 20-year-old wheelchair-bound Jamaican who dreams of representing her country in the field event of shot put at the Special Olympics. Celebration mode for Idonia and Epicon. Epicon brand ambassador Idonia was in his big baller mode last night at Epicon's headquarters at the Marketplace in Kingston as the Ganja brand celebrated its 1-year anniversary. The anniversary, which coincided with Epicon's Hot Box Summer Series event, was fully supported by entertainers, influencers, and Ganja lovers who showed their support for the Epicon experience. Brand ambassador Idonia teased that he and Epicon plan to take the brand to the world.
We just get started, so all of the world's billboard, you see me, local, international, to the world. I'm on thing, man, I say it straight.
Epicon aims to revitalize the medical marijuana industry. The 2019 Bigger and Better Jamaica Festival Song Competition finalists visited Broadcast House today to engage staff in a lunch-hour concert ahead of the competition's grand finale scheduled for tomorrow at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. The cultural event, which is free to the public, will see all 11 festival song finalists go head-to-head in a battle of performances, which will see the selection of the winning 2019 festival song, the soundtrack for Jamaica's 57th anniversary of independence. The JCDC finals will be live on RETV tomorrow at 7 p.m. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.